Dearly beloved, we gather here today, this beautiful day, to witness the union of Cedric Lindsay and Tarkeyia Vincent in holy matrimony. This is a day of great celebration and reverence on which we come together before God to recognize and commemorate the scarce love and dedication shared between these two people.
I never knew such a day could come.
Pebbles is more like a sister, family. Friends to where we're not even friends, we're more like family. So Cedric, you got a good one, okay? This one right here, y'all can probably attest, she is good for everybody. You need something, you go to Pebbles. So I want you to know that this one right here is a good one, okay? And she's gonna take care of you, and she's gonna make sure you and little Cedric have and need everything y'all want and ever need in life. So if there's anything you guys need or want from me, just let me know, because I'm always here for her, just like she's gonna always be here for me.
Precious and pure, one love so real. I just see you every morning when I open my eyes, and I just feel your heart beating beside me every night. We just feel this way together till the end of all time.
It is wonderful to have family and friends here to join us today. The groom and the bride would like to thank their guests for being here, and would like you all to know that each of you are invited here on this day because you have played an integral role in their intertwining lives. May you all remember and cherish this scarce ceremony, for on this day with love, we will forever bind Cedric and Tarkeyia together. I, Cedric, take you, Tarkeyia,
I, Cedric, take you, Tarkeyia,
for my lawfully wedded wife.
for my lawfully wedded wife.
I, Tarkeyia, take you, Cedric,
I, Tarkeyia, take you, Cedric,
for my lawfully wedded husband,
for my lawfully wedded husband,
to have and to hold,
To have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward.
I promise to be true in good times and bad,
I promise to be true in good times and bad,
in sickness and in health.
in sickness and in health.
I will love you and honor you all the days of my life,
I will love you and honor you all the days of my life,
until death do us part.
until death do us part.
To commemorate this union, we may now exchange rings. The circle formed by each ring symbolizes your eternal love and commitment to one another. Let these rings remind you you always have that love and that the promise you have made here on this day. I, Cedric,
I, Cedric,
give you, Tarkeyia, this ring
give you, Tarkeyia, this ring
as a symbol of my love and commitment.
as a symbol of my love and commitment.
With this ring, I be wed.
With this ring, I be wed.
By the power vested in me, by the Universal Church, and by the state of Tennessee, I pronounce you, Cedric Lindsay and Tarkeyia Vincent, as husband and wife, lawfully wedded before God. Cedric, you may kiss your bride, forever sealing your union.
Now, when you're ready, you got the hand of your betrothed, Cedric. Leap over the broom together, entering into your destiny.
You know very well who you are.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to present Mr. and Mrs. Lindsay.
And you had a few, boy, one too many, but I'm the only one to wake you up.
It was all a dream.
I remember the storm.
son-in-law, Cedric, with Tarkeyia. First, I want you all to keep God first and foremost. And when difficulties come, and they will come, because we've seen some that came here tonight. But you know what? You got to press forward. You got to always pray. And when you put God first and keep Him in the middle, everything will be fine.
I just want to say congratulations to my beautiful sister and my brother-in-law. Best wishes. May God bless you all's union. Thug life. If there's any problems with anybody outside, come find me.
I love you both. I will say, when I met Pebbles about 13 or 14 years ago, she's always exemplified strength, support, and sisterhood. And God bless you both. I'll just say, may the blessings of the Lord be upon you, make it rich, and addeth no sorrow.
One half of Dukes of the Field. You know what I'm saying? Ricky Balboa, man, love you, bro. And you guys' evolution, it's been beautiful. Tonight, man, we celebrate y'all. We happy for y'all, man. We love y'all to the ends of the earth, bro. We here, man. You know what I'm saying? Much love. Whatever y'all need, we here. We got a whole support system. You know what I'm saying? So whatever y'all need, y'all can't fail. Amen.
But, you know, we here, and I appreciate everybody coming. This is the first time I ever seen this many people show up and on time, and it's New Year's Eve. So, again, we all made it through COVID. We here, so everybody give yourself a round of applause. We here, we made it. I'm sure everybody lost somebody, but we here in a union. Congrats to y'all, man, and finally, y'all did it, man. Cheers, y'all put your drinks. I'm the last one talking right now. Yeah, play something loud right there. Play something loud. We can